He's on the inside of the double MotoGP World Champion. Crikey, how has he stayed on board?
Check this out.
Watch this. On the inside of the double MotoGP World Champion, Pecco Bagnaia. The KTM, the RC16 underneath Acosta was just moving around like he was on a bucking bronco. Here comes Pedro Acosta on the inside, on the cutback. Bagnaia will really tough it out. Oh, he almost had his front wheel chopped there, didn't he, by Pedro Acosta. Coming through, Pecco, no problemo in Portama for Pedro Acosta.
Tried into turn one and thought, okay, I'll try into turn number 3, and just stuffed up the inside, really, of the reigning world champion, who was trying that cutback, but there's a reigning Moto2 world champion in the way.
Pedro Acosta, the rookie sensation, is on the podium in MotoGP. For the very first time, a new star is born in MotoGP without any question.